As Guyana gears up for the hosting of the Commonwealth Association for Public Administration and Management, CAPAM's 12th Biennial Conference from October 22 to 24, a 7-member local organizing committee has been set up. This local organizing committee will receive guidance from CAPAM's executive body headquartered in Canada. Permanent Secretary of the Department of Public Service, Reginald Brotherson, on Wednesday said 4 subcommittees were also established to cover all aspects of planning and organizing.
We are to staff those committees shortly, and those will comprise persons from other sector agencies that will be partners for this program, for this conference. The government is excited to have been given the opportunity to host this conference. It may sound like early days yet, but October is just upon us. And there are a number of activities that we have to put in place to make this the most memorable conference. We are expecting to have approximately 350 delegates from around the world.
This year's CAPAM conference is being held on the theme, Transforming the Public Sector for Climate Governance, and will be hosted at the Marriott Hotel. Chief Executive Officer of CAPAM, Gay Hamilton, explained that the theme was selected after careful examination of one of the trending issues in public service.
We looked at how countries are doing their planning over the next 5 to 10 years, and what stood out was that climate change, or particular aspects of climate change or environmental development came to the fore. So different things for different countries, but certainly that common theme of environmental issues climbing to the top of the priority list. So because we're a practitioner organization and we deal with the public service, it means that when we pick a theme like that, we look at how public servants are dealing with it.
The conference, the CAPAM CEO added, will seek to examine how governments deal with this duality of advancing economies while simultaneously safeguarding their environments. An important feature of the signature program is the hosting of the Commonwealth International Innovation Awards to recognize excellence in public service innovation.